My ETB is here. She's in here. I'm so excited for this. Okay. We're gonna open her. I'm not keeping this one sealed. It's so beautiful. I like this a lot because of Eevee, just like everybody else. The Eeveelutions. Come on. Who doesn't like the Eeveelutions? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at this later. Here we go. The color of the dice is so pretty. We've got our coins, of course. Oh my god, I'm excited to see what the card sleeves look like. She's cute. Energy cards. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. The promo card. She's so cute. Count how many times I say cute in this video. Oh my god. The little Pikachu stuffed animal. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh. I'm gonna stare at that later. Now the moment that I've been waiting for. I'm gonna open all the packs. We have 11 packs. Oh my god. Oh, these are cute. Oh. Got a Jolteon. Another water. Oh, pretty. So cute. Oh, pretty. Eevee! Groudon. Oh, got an Ogrepon EX. I got another Hollow Energy. Eevee! Cute. There's a lot of cute cards in here. Screamtail. Oh my god, Miltank. Oh, and I just got a ball. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got a Lugia EX. Oh, I missed one. Oh. Oh. I got a Scoop Up Cyclone. Cute. Sorry about the helicopter, by the way. Sorry about the helicopter. I don't know why they decided to fly right now. Cute. Oh, the ball. There's a ball. Oh, this card looks really cool. See? Oh, there's a ball. Oh, Sylveon. I like Sylveon. Oh, Vaporeon. Cute. Oh, Espeon. It's so cute. This is my last pack. I hope I get something good. Oh, ball. Oh, I got Ortega. Okay, at least I got a full art. That's kind of crazy though, like, out of all those packs, I got one full art. I'm actually not too mad about what I have. This definitely has to be my favorite hit from all the packs that I've opened. I mean, look at it. It's a Miltank with a ball. It's not a Master Ball, but it's a ball. Freeing Eevee from the cellophane so I can put her in. Ugh. Sleeves. Wait, mine came with 2. Is it supposed to come with 2? The box says 1, but mine came with 2. Wait, did anybody else's come with 2? I need to know if this is really special and if I should freak out, or if this is supposed to happen. Never mind, I was confused. So this one has the Pokemon Center logo and this one doesn't. I was freaking out a little bit.